Okay, students, today we will study about the chapter EVS subject, class 4th, chapter 7, Desert Storm. Think, what did the camel answer? Do you know? Do you know that camel is called sheep of the desert? So why? Camel को sheep of the desert कहा जाता क्यों? Because camel can walk easily on sand because their feet do not sink in the desert. Question 2. The camel does not feel thirsty for hours because it stores water and fat in its hump. Because it stores water and fat in its hump. अपने कुबड़ में वाटर और फैट जमा कर लेता है. What kind of problem would the rabbit and the monkey face if they travel on their own? They cannot walk on hot sand and cannot live without water. A camel can live without water for a long time, while a monkey and the rabbit cannot. What might have happened to them? So the answer is the monkey and rabbit would feel thirsty, tired, and might die without water. Think and answer. How does a tortoise manage to survive both in water and on land? टोर्टोइज है कछुआ, वो पानी और ज़मीन दोनों पे कैसे सर्वाइव कर लेता है. ए टोर्टोइज हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग फॉर लैंड एंड वेबल्ड फिट फॉर स्विमिंग इन वाटर, क्योंकि पैरों की बनावट उसकी पानी और ज़मीन के अनुकूल होती है. हाउ टू कैट्स, लेपर्ड एटसेट्रा क्लाइम ऑन ट्रीज बट डॉग कैन नॉट. व्हाई इट इज सो? कैट एंड लेपर्ड हैव शार्प क्लॉज एंड flexible bodies, but dogs do not. What do animals do to keep themselves warm in extreme cold? Similarly, how do they keep themselves cool in extreme heat? Animals grow thick fur or hibernate in winter. In summer, they shed fur, rest in shade, or live in burrow. Question 4. How will animals and birds protect themselves when there is a fire in the forest? जब फायर फॉरेस्ट में हो जाती है तो एनिमल्स कैसे अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं? एनिमल्स रन अवे, हाइड इन बर्रो एंड बर्ड्स फ्लाई इन सेफर प्लेस. व्हाट वुड बी द लाइफ स्टाइल ऑफ द फैमिलीज लिविंग इन द डेजर्ट? रेगिस्तानी लोगों की जीवन शैली किस प्रकार की होती है? दे लिव इन मड हाउसेज, wear cotton cloth, store water, and use camel for travel. Practice work. Choose the correct answer. Why did the camel make the monkey, rabbit, and tortoise sit on its back? तो ऑप्शन सही है. बिकॉज द केमल फीट डू नॉट सिक इन द सैंड. मिट्टी में धंसते नहीं उनके पैर. विच एनिमल कैन वॉक इजीली इन द डिजर्ट? सो आंसर इज कैमल. व्हाट इज चिंकारा? चिंकारा क्या है? डियर स्पेसीज, हिरण की एक प्रजाति है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. कैमल इज कॉल्ड द शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट. द कैमल्स फीट आर ब्रॉड, फ्लैट, सो दे डू नॉट सिंक इन द सैंड और इन द डेजर्ट. राइट, ट्रू और फॉल्स? द कैमल इज अफ्रेड ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग विल. फॉल्स. द टोर्टोइज हिड इट्स हेड बिटवीन द camel's hump during a storm. True. Monkeys and rabbits can live in the desert without water. False. क्योंकि मंकी और रैबिट डेजर्ट में विदाउट वाटर कैसे रहेंगे? एसेसिया बबूल, रोहिडा एंड बुशेज आर फाउंड इन डेजर्ट. ट्रू. राइट द आंसर ऑफ 2 or 3 lines. Why is the camel called the sheep of the desert? The camel walks easily on sand and carries loads, so it is called the sheep of the desert. Why does a camel not feel thirsty for hours? Because the camel stores water and food in its hump, so it does not feel thirsty for hours. What difficulties would the rabbit and the monkey face if they traveled alone? They cannot walk on sand and cannot survive without water for a long time. How would the people of desert live in during the summer? They wear cotton cloth, live in mud houses and save water for summer. Do it yourself. Write the answer in 2 or 3 lines. ये दोबारा आ गई. Okay. Do it yourself. Search. What is the difference between the feet of an elephant and a cat? Elephant has big, round feet to walk on land, while a cat has soft padded paws with sharp claws to climb and catch prey. शिकार करने के लिए पंजे, छोटे तीखे नाखून होते हैं. How is the shape of the beaks of birds related to their diet? डाइट के अनुकूल कैसे होते हैं उनके बीक बर्ड्स की? Yes, birds' beak are shaped according to the food. For example, sparrow has short beak for grain. Eagle has sharp curved beak for meat to tear, to eat. Do all birds fly? If not, what kind of wings do they have? No, not at all. Birds can fly. Ostrich and penguin cannot fly, but they are bird. Ostrich has strong legs. Penguin has flipper-like wings for swimming. How do ants walk in a lane? And how do they find their way? Ants walk in a lane by following the smell. Chemical trail होता है, उसको सूंघते हुए एक दूसरे के पीछे चलती है. लेफ्ट बाई अदर्स, दूसरों के द्वारा छोड़ी जाती है. Which animals and birds are found in the desert? Field, ponds and houses. Yes, forest animals हैं lion, deer, elephant. Fields हैं cow, goat, peacock. Ponds पानी में fish, frog, duck. And houses dog, cat, pigeon. At the time of first aid, correct sequence. If someone falls down and gets injured, what will you do according to the sentence, according to the sequence of the sentence? सबसे पहले करेंगे wash the wounded through wound thoroughly. अच्छे से साफ करेंगे, सफाई करेंगे. Wipe the wound with a dry cloth. अच्छे साफ कपड़े से, कॉटन कपड़े से उसको पोंछेंगे. Apply antiseptic cream on the wound and tie a bandage made of a clean cloth. Thank you very much for